Hi, welcome to Master Plumber Reviewer. The coverage of this video is about Spdi or sanitation, plumbing design and installation, which is 40% on actual board exam. Hope you enjoy. Review conveniently.
Number 51. All interior wet standpipes shall be equipped with a blank millimeters valve in each story. A. 32. B. 38. C. 50. D. 64. The answer. It's B. 38. Number 52. All interior wet standpipes shall be not less than blank millimeters nor more than blank meters above the floor. A. 502. B. 301.5. C. 501.5. D. 301.2. The answer. It's D. 301.2. Number 53. All interior wet standpipes shall be connected to a street main not less than blank millimeters in diameter. A. 38. B. 50. C. 64. D. 100. The answer. It's D. 100. Number 54. Tanks shall have a capacity sufficient to furnish at least blank liters per minute for a period of not less than 10 minutes. A. 500. B. 1000. C. 1500. D. 2000. The answer. It's C. 1500. Number 55. Tanks shall be located so as to provide not less than blank kilograms per square centimeter pressure at the topmost base outlet for its entire supply. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The answer. It's B. 2. Number 56. Discharge pipes from pressure tanks shall extend blank millimeters into and above the bottom of such tanks. A. 25. B. 50. C. 75. D. 100. The answer. It's B. 50. Number 57. All tanks shall be tested in place after installation and proved tight at a hydrostatic pressure blank in excess of the working pressure required. A. 25%. B. 50%. C. 150%. D. 200%. The answer. It's B. 50%. Number 58. A small level used by plumbers is known as A. Miniature level. B. Torpedo level. C. Compact level. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. Torpedo level. Number 59. Copper piping used for medical gas systems should only be cut with A. Hacksaw. B. Band saw. C. Reciprocating saw. D. Copper tubing cutter. The answer. It's D. Copper tubing cutter. Number 60. The only safe method to ignite a torch used for soldering is A. Striker. B. Cigarette lighter. C. Match. D. None of the above. The answer. It's A. Striker. Number 61. MSDS is the abbreviation for A. Material Safety Delivery Schedule. B. Material Safety Data Sheet. C. Material Safety Determination Sheet. D. Material Safety Dictating Sheet. The answer. It's B. Material Safety Data Sheet. Number 62. Excavated soil should not be placed any closer than blank from the edge of a trench. A. 1 feet to 0 inch. B. 2 feet to 0 inch. C. 3 feet to 0 inch. D. 4 feet to 0 inch. The answer. It's B. 2 feet to 0 inch. Number 63. The person responsible for monitoring a permit-required confined space is called A. An entrant. B. A first responder. C. An attendant. D. A monitor. The answer. It's C. An attendant. Number 64. A safety harness is required when working from a ladder when a worker's feet are A. 3 feet to 0 inch above the floor. B. 4 feet to 0 inch above the floor. C. 5 feet to 0 inch above the floor. D. 6 feet to 0 inch above the floor. The answer. It's D. 6 feet to 0 inch above the floor. Number 65. An extension ladder must extend above a roof by at least A. 3 feet to 0 inch. B. 2 feet to 0 inch. C. 1 feet to 0 inch. D. 4 feet to 0 inch. The answer. It's A. 3 feet to 0 inch. Number 66. OSHA is the abbreviation for A. Occupational Safety and Health Association. B. Occupational of Safety and Health Administration. C. Occupational Safety Hazard Association. D. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. The answer. It's D. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Number 67. The 4 different types of copper pipe commonly used today are identified as A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. A, B, C, and D. C, M, L, K, and DWV. D. Red, blue, green, and white. The answer. It's C, M, L, K, and DWV. Number 68. 2 common types of gate valves are A. Rising stem and non-rising stem. B. Full port and non-rising stem. C. Ball and butterfly. D. Lever handle and wheel handle. The answer. It's A. Rising stem and non-rising stem. Number 69. PVC pipe cannot be used for A. Hot water distribution systems. B. Cold water service from a water meter to a building. C. Venting a drainage system. D. Drains and sewers. The answer. It's A. Hot water distribution systems. Number 70. A 45-degree fitting is A. 1/16 of a circle. B. 1/8 of a circle. C. 1/4 of a circle. D. 1/2 of a circle. The answer. It's B. 1/8 of a circle. Number 71. A ball valve. A. Has a lever handle for manual types. B. Can be purchased as an automatic type. C. Has an internal ball with a core drilled through its center. D. All of the above. The answer. It's D. All of the above. Number 72. CPVC is the abbreviation for A. Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. B. Calcium polymer vinyl composite. C. Chlorinated polymer virgin. D. All of the above. The answer. It's A. Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. Number 73. 2 fixtures that have overflow protection are they A. shower and lavatory. B. Laundry sink and kitchen sink. C. Bathtub and lavatory. D. Bathtub and bar sink. The answer. It's C. Bathtub and lavatory. Number 74. A kitchen sink faucet that has a base plate and a separate spray requires A. 2-hole sink. B. 3-hole sink. C. 4-hole sink. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. 4-hole sink. Number 75. AY is A. A 3-way drainage fitting. B. Used only in water supply systems. C. Used to create a 90 degrees branch connection. D. Also known as a combo. The answer. It's A. A 3-way drainage fitting. Number 76. A street 90 degrees fitting has A. 2 sockets, or hubs. B. 1 socket and 1 plain end. C. 2 plain ends. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. 1 socket and 1 plain end. Number 77. The most severe burn is A. First degree. B. Second degree. C. Third degree. D. Fourth degree. The answer. It's C. Third degree. Number 78. The wheels used with scaffolding are called A. Wheels. B. Casters. C. Rollers. D. Tires. The answer. It's B. Casters. Number 79. A safety harness is anchored to a mobile man lift with A. Roof. B. Lanyard. C. Cable. D. Strap. The answer. It's B. Lanyard. Number 80. An erected scaffold must have handrails and A. Toe boards. B. A cage. C. A stepladder. D. None of the above. The answer. It's A. Toe boards. Number 81. 3 common type of isolation valves are A. Ball, gate, and butterfly. B. Gate, butterfly, and round. C. Butterfly, ball, and circular. D. Gate, ball, and circular. The answer. It's A. Ball, gate, and butterfly. Number 82. A T with 3 connections, each measuring 2 inches, is correctly ordered as A. 2 inches by 2 inches T. B. 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches T. C. 2 inches T. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. 2 inches T. Number 83. The wall thickness of pipe is determined by A. Adding the inside and outside diameter. B. Subtracting the inside diameter from the outside diameter and dividing by 2. C. 2 inches T. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. Subtracting the inside diameter from the outside diameter and dividing by 2. Number 84. The trade name for a combination Y and 1/8 bend is A. Sanitary T. B. Sanitary cross. C. 45-degree Y. D. Combo. The answer. It's D. Combo. Number 85. Plan view of a blueprint is A. How riser diagrams are created. B. A 3-dimensional view. C. A view from above, looking down. D. the only view to accurately indicate a design intent? The answer: it's C, a view from above, looking down. Number 86. Horizontal lines drawn in an isometric view area at A. 30 degrees angle from true horizontal. B. 45 degrees angle from true horizontal. C. 90 degrees angle from true horizontal. D. None of the above. The answer: it's A. 30 degrees angle from true horizontal. Number 87. A toilet is abbreviated as WC, the abbreviation for A. Waste connection. B. Water closet. C. Waste closet. D. None of the above. The answer: it's B. Water closet. Number 88. The correct line to draw to reflect a hot water pipe is A. Bold line with 1 dash. B. Bold line with 2 dashes. C. Bold line with 3 dashes. D. None of the above. The answer: it's B. Bold line with 2 dashes. Number 89. FD is most commonly used as an abbreviation for A. Fixture design. B. Floor design. C. Floor designation. D. Floor drain. The answer: it's D. Floor drain. Number 90. ECO is the abbreviation for A. Electric cooler orifice. B. Elevated cleanout. C. End cleanout. D. None of the above. The answer: it's C. End cleanout. Number 91. FU is the abbreviation for A. Fixture unit. B. Faucet unit. C. Fixture underground. D. First underground. The answer: it's A. Fixture unit. Number 92. The two basic flushing actions options for toilets are A. Jet and siphon. B. Siphon and vortex. C. Vortex and blowout. D. Siphon jet and blowout. The answer: it's D. Siphon jet and blowout. Number 93. A wall-hung lavatory can rely on in-wall support using wood backing or A. A manufactured carrier. B. Long dry wall screws. C. Adhesive caulking. D. A closet carrier. The answer: it's A. A manufactured carrier. Number 94. A bidet is installed in a private bathroom and A. Is a personal hygiene fixture. B. Has a tank similar to a toilet. C. Does not require hot water. D. None of the above. The answer: it's A. Is a personal hygiene fixture. Number 95. A public toilet seats must be A. A closed front type. B. An open front type. C. Wooden. D. White. The answer: it's B. An open front type. Number 96. A laundry sink faucet with a hose thread type spout must A. Not be installed. B. Only be installed in residential applications. C. Have a backflow prevention device. D. None of the above. The answer: it's C. Have a backflow prevention device. Number 97. A floor-mounted toilet seals with the drainage system using closet bolts and A. Tube of caulking. B. Tub of putty. C. Wax seal. D. None of the above. The answer: it's C. Wax seal. Number 98. The two most common drain assembly designs for lavatories are a pop-up and A. Pop-out. B. Grid strainer. C. Basket strainer. D. None of the above. The answer. It's B. Grid strainer. Number 99. A gooseneck spout is used on A. Shower faucets. B. Tub faucets. C. Sink faucet. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. Sink faucet. Number 100. A shower drain for a fiberglass shower base typically A. Is installed after the base is installed. B. Does not require sealant. C. Is installed before the base is installed. D. None of the above. The answer. It's C. Is installed before the base is installed.
Good job. You're all done with part 2 of SPDI. Hope you enjoyed and learned something. Please follow, like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, future master plumbers.